Привет, друзья, подписчики, и привет,
Why
всех,
do
кто
engine
смотрит
temperature
мои
sensor
видео.
cause hard starting? If the sensor incorrectly signals that the engine is at a higher temperature than it is, the ECU may reduce the fuel delivery, making the engine harder to start. This issue is particularly noticeable during cold starts when the engine requires a richer fuel mixture to ignite properly. It should still run, but not as well as normal, and it should turn on the check engine light. In most cases, a bad coolant temperature sensor will throw a check engine light and produce a trouble code indicating the temp sensor is bad. I would not expect it to keep a car from starting. Thanks for your attention and please subscribe our channel.